Hello everyone, this is Andrew Salmirai, live from JCrete, and I'm here with Simon Maple.
Hello.
Hello. Simon, can you say some words about yourself, please?
Sure, yeah. So I'm a job developer advocate, working for Zero Turnaround, and I do a huge amount of work with the community as well, and that includes coming to conferences, talking at conferences, running and helping with communities like the Virtual Jug, the London Java community, and things like that. I'm also a Java champion, and got a few awards for a number of things that I've done as well.
Yeah, the big job recent, well, not necessarily recent, but last year that you got the Duke's Choice Award, isn't it?
We won the Duke's Choice Award last year. We got that at Java 1, which is awesome. And this year we've actually been nominated for the JCP award as well. So the JCP every year do a number of awards for things like the most outstanding JSR participant. They also do work with user groups, and one of the things that we've done with the Virtual Jug this year, with people like Heather Van Cura, with people like Manny Sarkar, is try and provide as much feedback to not just the community but Oracle about what real developers think of the new features, APIs, that kind of thing in Java 9. So we've run a number of hack days. We've got a couple more planned. In fact, next month I'm flying out to Atlanta to run a hack day, 6-hour hack day with the Atlanta Jug. I think Heather will be there as well, and we're doing that with a number of other jugs. So we'll stream that across the Virtual Jug, and then other user groups can join in, participate, run their own meetups, and we'll kind of try and synchronize the whole thing.
Wow, that's pretty cool, because I'm aware there were other user groups such as the London Java community and the Morocco Java user group that actually both of them had a seat at the JCP executive committee. So they help out steering up what's the future of Java, but also any Java user group could participate as a Java as a member of the JCP, right?
Yeah, anyone could be a member of the JCP. In fact, you don't even need to be a member. If your jug is running an adopt2JSR kind of campaign whereby you literally meet up together, have a hack, have a think, have a presentation about a particular JSR or a new advance in Java as a specification, you can join the meetup. You can just have a hack, have a play. So things like the Money JSR, things like Jigsaw. These are some of the more recent ones that the hack days have been around, and it's just really easy. You have maybe some presentations about the feature, about the specification. You have a play. So with Jigsaw, for example, we've learned about the module system. We've gone through some samples. We've tried to modularize existing code. We've looked at things like JLink, and it's really easy just to have a play, see how easy it is to adopt, to use. If there are any bugs on particular systems, the community's here to also help test what's existing, what's coming out in Java. The more systems we run it on, the more we'll understand about how ready it is for consumption in the wider teams. So yeah, it's you don't necessarily even need to be a member of the JCP for that. But of course, it's free, and it's a good thing to join as well.
Yeah, and it's a good thing to say. So I would like to commendate Oracle for doing such a good job in getting JDK9 so early, so that many people can test it. And you guys at Virtual Jug have done an amazing job with this. And you also have something on coming up in October, isn't it?
Yes, we have. I'm surprised we're doing a second one because it was so much hard work the first time around. But last year we actually ran the first 24-hour virtual conference in Java. And this was 24 contiguous sessions.
Wow.
Around, and we literally just flowed the globe. So we did three 8-hour regions. We started in Asia Pacific, we then moved across to EMEA, and then we finished in the Americas. Each of those regions had a keynote, and then we had 7 sessions following. So 24 contiguous in total. We've run the CFP just now. This is the last week actually where the program committee are coming together to look at which sessions that we wanna use. So over this next week, the week after, we'll be putting the schedule together and we'll be announcing that. So yeah, on the 25th of October, I won't give a time because it's 24 hours. Just join when you like. We're going to be running the VJug, the second edition of VJug 24.
Awesome. Yeah, very much looking forward to that one.
And of course, everything we do is free. It's community, so You just need to sign up to Meetup if you choose, and you'll get a whole bunch of information about as we progress through up to the 25th. New speakers, new schedule, sponsors, all that kind of great stuff.
Right. Is there anything else that the audience can get from the video? What's the website of what else you have in the website?
Okay, so the website is virtualjob.com. And we do a number of different things. Actually, that's our main website. We also have a meetup group behind the scenes, meetup.com/virtualjug. And we do a whole bunch of stuff. Our main kind of bread and butter for the Jug is our monthly sessions. And we do about 2 sessions every month. And this is where typically a really renowned speaker, but not always, comes over and they'll give a 1-hour session about a specific technology, that kind of stuff. We don't really like pitches, so we tend to keep it to technology. And people can come join entirely free, but they tend to sign up to Meetup so they can get the announcements of when new sessions come up. And they join on IRC, and they can discuss, they can raise questions to the speaker, that kind of stuff. So that's our kind of bread and butter, and we do that with some of the most amazing speakers. We've had speakers like Aaron Gupta, Marcus Izella, yourself. We've had even I've given a session actually. We've also had people like James Goslin. Right? So we can pretty much pick anyone, right? Because we're virtual. We have very few costs. We have no need for speakers to fly out. It's literally an hour of their time. So yeah, we can pick most people. Other things we do, we have Roberto Cortez and Ivanson Ivanov, who do some great work for us with Book Club. And this is where we take really great authors of important books, and we very often give the community some discounts, codes for those books, and we read them together. So we say, before this meetup, let's read chapters 1 to 4. So we read them together, and then during the actual session, we will very often grab the author of the book. So we've had people like Sam Newman, we've had people like Josh Block with Effective Java, and we've actually asked Josh for his to do his next edition, which will be coming out soon this year. And he's also agreed to do that as well. So we have these great speakers, and we talk about the specific talking points about the book directly with the author. So it's a really great chance to actually ask questions of the author about their book.
Yeah, definitely. That's great.
We also do a podcast. And we have a weekly podcast every Monday. We've just switched it to every week now.
That's the Java Council.
That's the Java Council, yeah. We also do that at a few conferences, actually. We've done it at Java 1 before, we've done it at DevOps Belgium before, as the closing keynote, actually, at DevOps Belgium. And we've changed it up slightly, so now we have a pool of really great minds that every now and then, whoever can really make the Monday meeting, we just come on, have a quick chat, really. I call it meeting, but it's just a very informal chat for 30 minutes. We then cut, I add some music, and we release that same morning. So it's a very informal chat about what's happening in Java, how people can help with specific things like JSRs, whatever, what's useful for people to know and understand. And it's a really nice roundup, actually. So we do that every Monday, and that's on javacouncil.com, which will take you to a specific place on the virtual job.
Okay, excellent. So for people as well, the camera's a little bit off, and I will put all the links down below. You'll find it. You'll be able to find it. And Simon, your Twitter account is sjmaple.
sjmaple, yeah.
Maple.
Right.
And
I was going to help you out then, but I thought, let's see if you know. See if you can.
Yeah, I know that. My pronunciation is bad, but I know how to write it down. And at bjog is for the virtual job.
At virtual job, actually.
Yes, virtual job.
Yeah.
Okay, see, that's what I got wrong. Thank you for correcting that one. So again, thank you very much, Simon.
Pleasure. Thank you.
And looking forward to the stuff that you guys coming up with the virtual job.
Excellent. Thank you.
Right.